around 3 years last ko siyang nakita. Kasi si daddy kasi yung isang instrument kung bakit kami nakapunta ng Canada. Kasi silang dalawa lang ng daddy ko for 6 months. Hindi lang studying while crying yan si Donna. At that time, we started from scratch here in Canada.
Correct.
Good morning and maayong buntag, Calgary and Canada. Maayong buntag sa inyo hadira, Pilipinas. And so today, it's around 5 degrees diri sa Amua, sa Calgary. And syempre, ang atoang usual morning routine, maghatod og bata, ang maghahatid ng bata. Ayan, they're running, we're running late. Pero hopefully hindi. Malapit lang naman yung school again. And also, this is their second to the last day of school bago mag Holy Week and before our upcoming adventure. So, catch us again today. Yan. Yan. Laging curious talaga si Kuya Davon at ino-observe niya lahat ng bagay. Pati yung mga ants pinag-uusapan na namin, fam. I think ganun din ng mga anak nyo, yung may mga family dyan. And so yeah, catch us today. And si mommy nasa work. Syempre, 3 a.m. Hopefully mag-improve ang kanyang work schedule. Kasi medyo concerned din mga ibang subscribers and viewers natin. So lagi daw puyat si mommy. At nakakapagpahinga naman si mommy fam pagdating sa bahay and all. Pero syempre, I agree, iba pa rin talaga ang tulog ng gabi kaysa sa yung gabi ka nagwo-work or super madaling araw ka nagwo-work. 3 a.m. si mommy. So, alright, hatid ko lang ang mga kids. Careful lang tayo. Ayan, madami ng mga bata. Wow. Oh, kuya. Everyone's having fun. Okay, fam. So, see ya. Ayan, facing tayo doon. Ayan yung mga community helpers. So, laging may tao sa pedestrian dito. And there's my Lianica Denera. Ayan, may Lianica Denera. Come here. Ayan, may kilala si Kuya Davon, teacher niya. Alright. So, tawid lang kami, fam, ha? Alright, bye! Hello! So, ayun. Done with the first task today. Super excited na kami ng mga bata. Whew. After ng today, bukas afternoon aalis na kami. And I think we've mentioned a couple of times na din naman. So we're going to Australia for my brother's wedding. And it's gonna be my first time again seeing them for I think 5 years or 4 years at least. Lalo na si mommy. Oh. Yeah, sobrang nakakamiss ang mga parents ko and mga kapatid. And si Luis din, which is yung kasunod ko na brother. Siguro at least 7 or 5 years na kami hindi nagkikita. And malalaki na ang mga kids niya din. So sakto may mga kalaro si na Davon. Yun, so super duper excited na kami. Mahaba-habang biyahe, syempre from Canada to Australia. And then, syempre, dadaan pa kami ng Vancouver and all. But, yeah, it's gonna be worth it. Kasi, pamilya yun eh. Alright, fam. So, weather check, it's a bit gloomy today. As you can see, in Calgary, tsaka medyo malamig. Around 5 degrees or 7 degrees. More or less the same. So, sana ganito na lang. And, yeah, so sana ganito na lang ang weather natin hanggang mag-May. Para summer na, feel na. At yun nga, may mga nakabook na kaming mga camping with the Alba Fam Gang and of course, Seth and Leiden. Good morning again, fam, and the family is very excited today. So it's going to be their last school before Holy Week. Okay, and papasok lang si na Kuya Davon. But then, after that, diretso na rin kami ng airport pagkasundo. So, gagamitin ko pala ang sasakyan kasi medyo madami yung bagahe namin. Hahatid ko sila. And then, babalik ulit ako sa bahay and ako lang ang mag-Uber. Kasi parang complicated and also walang car seats. So, para mas safe ang mga kids, ihatid ko muna sila using our van. Then, babalik ako sa bahay and mag-Uber na lang ako papuntang airport. Alright, hatid lang muna ang mga kids. Ayan si Mami nasa kabila, if you can see. Kasi si Mami maghahatid kay Lianica. Ako naman ang maghahatid kay Kuya Davon. See ya!
Hello fam! Good morning!
Ayan, good morning! So yun, nahatid na namin ang mga kids. So it's gonna be their last school day for the next 2 weeks.
Yeah.
So pupunta na
Alamig.
kami ng Australia.
Yes.
But of course,
The
bago kami
long-
makarating ng Australia,
Yeah.
dadaan muna kami ng Vancouver. So we could have a bit of adventure there in Vancouver as well.
Yeah, may layover kami doon.
Yeah.
Mga 6 hours din.
Yeah.
So,
Hopefully, makita namin ang aming mga friends.
yeah.
Yung mga malalapit lang na friends doon sa area. Kasi
Sa
since
area.
The airport is near Richmond.
Tsaka ano din, parang so-called tight na rin ang 5 hours. Lang na, 6
So,
to
hindi
5.
na kami makapunta ng Surrey, which is andun ng Esperanza family.
Tsaka sa Vancouver itself.
And sa Vancouver kasi nandun ang isang cousin ko and my brother, Kuya Nonoy. So hindi na namin madadaanan talaga kasi medyo tapos na sa oras. So anyway, si Donna nga tinatanong ako, parang
Ilang years na nating hindi nakita.
yeah. So parang inisip ko kanina lab while walking si Daffodil first, which is my Doctora youngest sister
Yep.
in the Philippines. She's based in the Philippines. Siguro mga 7 years ko na siya hindi nakita.
Oo, no?
Yeah.
Before COVID pa ata.
Yeah.
Last.
And then ang third brother ko si Justin, around 3 years last ko siyang nakita. Kasabay
Yeah, kasi-
ng aking mommy.
Yeah, bumisita sila sa Singapore, di ba?
Yeah. Bumisita sila sa Singapore bago kami umalis going to Canada.
Yeah.
So yun yung last naming pagkikita.
3 years plus, yeah.
Yeah. And then yung brother ko naman, second brother ko, si Luis, which is also based in Australia. Siguro mga 6 years, around 6 years.
7,
Kasi
yeah.
nag-layover siya sa amin sa Singapore when he was going back to the Philippines the
Yeah.
last time. Again, yung third brother ko is ito ang pakana ng Australian trip namin. It's
Kasi-
because he's gonna be having their wedding. And
Yeah.
excited kaming makita ang aming sister-in-law, which we haven't. Sina mommy and sina daddy nakita na kasi
Yeah.
pumunta sila ng Davao before they got married officially, legally. This marriage is for celebrating, so every family would
Yeah.
be able to see them together.
That's right.
Yun, so yeah,
And si Daddy,
ayun, ikaw love. Kasi si daddy kasi yung isang instrument kung bakit kami nakapunta ng Canada.
yeah.
Without him, hindi kami makakapunta talaga ng Canada, supposedly. Kasi we have 2 kids at that time. Nakita niyo naman si Davon and si Lianica. Wala kaming paraan na maisip when we were in Singapore.
kasi sobrang liit pa ni, ni
Kasi
Lian.
sobrang liit ni Lian
9 months. So, ayaw namin siyang iwan
sa
sa
infant parang
care.
infant care pa.
So, we asked Daddy to help us. And,
So pumunta si daddy.
for almost 6
Canada.
months din with us. So,
And then bakit kailangan pumunta din isa ni daddy? Kasi ako naman, I need to complete some of my projects
sa
in Singapore. So bumalik pa ako actually fam ng Singapore. Parang hinatid ko
For 3
lang.
months, yeah.
Parang hinatid ko lang si Donna ng 1 to 2 months. And then inantay ko si daddy na pumuntang Canada sa Vancouver. And then bumalik ako ng Singapore for 3 months.
Yeah.
So, ayun. So, kung meron dyang wife na kilalang kilala nyo ang father-in-law nyo, kasama dyan si Donna.
Yeah.
Kasi silang dalawa lang ng daddy ko for
For 3
6 months. October, November, December, yeah. For
3 months.
good 3 months. As in, nakapag-form na sila ng routine. May process na sila. Sinong maghuhugas. Parang
Because while I'm
technically,
studying, si Daddy ang nagbabantay kay Lian, and then Davon is in daycare.
yeah. So
Kasi
again,
Davon is already 3 na nun?
Two?
Yeah.
Two siguro? Three? Yeah, around
3.
three, yeah.
Yeah.
Hindi lang studying while crying yan si Donna. At that time. So, syempre, studying. Di pa kami PR at that time. Starting pa lang talaga. Starting
Start
from Canada. So, ganito yung makikita nyo kami. More or less, we have good jobs. We have stable jobs. And then, more or less stable din yung living compared. But, yeah, fam. We started from scratch here in Canada.
Correct.
Hindi kami parang
Pumunta na lang ng
pumunta dito and tanan! Wow! This is a wonderland.
Yeah.
Parang ganun na iniisip. No, we started from scratch. Everyone of us. Kami ay parehas ng most of us here. Unless na hundreds of thousands of dollars ang dala mo. Na yung iba like business or entrepreneur visa. Yun, ibang status din sila. Pero tayo, nag-start tayo as student. Start tayo. OWP. Nag-start kami from scratch talaga. Zero. Balik lahat sa umpisa. So, dun sa mga nanonood sa amin and subscribers and viewers as well, na that you're just starting.
Laban lang.
Pagpursigin nyo lang. Laban lang.
Laban
yan.
lang.
One step at a time.
Yep.
One day at a time.
Yeah.
Kayang-kaya nyo yan. May tiwala ako, lalo na pag Pilipino. Laging malakas. Basta iwas utang lang tayo. Yun lang talaga pag may nagpapa-advise sa akin. Ang sinasabi ko lang is iwas utang lang tayo ng
As much
sobra.
as possible.
As much as you can. As much as you can control your
Dito sa
debts.
Canada.
That's it. Pero the rest ay ano na yan parang it's natural for Filipinos to be hardworking,
Yeah.
masipag, masinop, matiisin. Siyempre
Mm-hmm.
OFW na rin tayo sa Singapore and all. Parang natural na natin yan.
Yep.
Na laban talaga. It's just that siyempre yung iba napupunta lang dun sa pitfall ng siyempre luxury or yan nga debt or utang dito, utang dyan. So yun lang pag naiwasan yun and then have a simple living, save up. That's it. Wala naman. Kahit nga hindi mag-save up, fam Again, iwas lang sa utang. Kasi pag umiwas ka ng utang and debt, more or less, parang natural na magsisave na yung magsisave na yung pera mo kasi nga sobra siya. So ganun lang. And may tiwala talaga ako lagi pag Pinas and pag Pilipino, malakas talaga yan. So alright, dito na kami sa bahay.
Yeah.
And yeah, we just wanted to reflect yung kung ano yung mga natulong ni Daddy sa amin. And yung family ko and family din ni Donna, pati si Mama, on our journey in Canada. Na nag-iimo-imo ako, sabi nga ni Donna, kasi makikita ko na sila soon So that was a very good reflection. And then thanks always for watching us and for keeping updated. So hit that bell button pala para lagi kayong updated for our next videos. And our next videos would be very, very interesting. Kasi ipapasyal namin kayo sa kabilang dako ng mundo. In the land down under.
Yep.
Okay, kita tayo ng kangaroos and koalas and big spiders. No, kidding. Wala naman ako nakitang big spiders doon.
Yeah.
The last time that we were there. But okay, anyway, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And hit that bell button again. Also, like and follow our Facebook page, Alba Fam Bam.
Thank you
The
for
same
watching.
Name. Thanks for watching.
And see
have
you.
a good day. See you in Australia.